This is coming from CNN Philippines. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency is saying that the U.S. is offering to sell its 6 of either of Bell's AH-1Z Viper and Boeing's AH-64E Apache Guardian attack helicopter to the Philippines. But this is DND Secretary replies. We appreciate the gesture of the State Department, but the Philippine Air Force has already chosen their preferred attack helicopter. And they chose the Turkish T-129 attack helicopter. As the DND Secretary said, the cost of the project is a major factor, and it appears that the Turkish attack helicopter is cheaper than the US offers. That is why Turkish suppliers are more favorable than their American counterparts. Report, however, said that while the Turkish-made choppers are cheaper, its suppliers are having a tough time acquiring US licenses for some of its components, subsequently delaying the project to move forward. The contract with the Turkish supplier has not been signed as we deal with issues on the contract itself, the DND Secretary said.